Today we are going to do an experiment about paper circles with minds of their own.
That's a little creepy. I mean, they have minds of their own?
They don't really have minds of their own, Dad. It'll just seem like it.
Okay, but I don't want zombie paper trying to eat my brains.
Oh, I forgot to mention, we have a guest scientist.
Really?
Yeah, Lucy, my little sister, is going to help us with some of the experiment.
Hello.
Okay.
Let's get this experiment started!
So, here's our equipment for today. 2 measuring cups of water, 2 cups, a syringe, some paper circles punched from a hole puncher, a tray, and some toothpicks.
We started off with Lucy pouring some water into a cup, so it was about half full.
What's the water going to do? Is it going to carry electricity into the paper circles and bring them to life?
No, it won't, Dad. So anyway, we filled the cup until it was half full, and then we put some paper holes into the cup of water.
That's important.
Yeah, otherwise we wouldn't have done it.
So the paper in the glass went to the edge of the cup, like, immediately.
Next, we filled the other cup super full so that it almost overflowed. Then we used the syringe to drop water in it so the cup was so full that a bubble formed over the top, but not big enough to overflow.
Then we put the paper circles in. It's not moving.
The book said it would go to the center of the glass.
Oh, yeah, I think I messed up. The cup's too big. I'll go get another one.
So then we repeated the same procedure for the smaller cup.
You think this will work? We'll resurrect zombie paper?
No zombie paper!
No zombie paper, Dad, remember.
Fine. So anyway, we watched the paper circles float to the middle of the cup.
So why did this happen?
Well, according to Janice Van Cleve's Chemistry for Every Kid, surface water molecules pull on each other, but they are more attracted to the molecules in the glass. This attraction causes the water to be pulled toward the glass. The water on the paper that is placed in the partially filled glass is pulled toward the edge, carrying the lightweight paper circles with it. The glass that is overfilled with water does not have the exposed glass sides for the water to be attracted to. The result is that the water molecules pull on each other with the force directed toward the center of the water's bulge. The wet paper is pulled toward the center because the water on it is pulled in this direction.
I can understand that. So, I wonder what would happen if we used something heavier for the circles, like cardboard. Would it sink?
Would it work if we used a different liquid like rubbing alcohol?
What about chocolate milk or pizza?
Maybe, but those questions are for another experiment.
Yeah. So, the paper did come to life after all.
Really?
I saw it move to the edge of the glass in the half-full cup.
Dad, that was part of the experiment.
Oh, I forgot.